Kilmarnock Comprehensive School, Mrs Julie Davis has led a team of students over the last 2 years who have had limited access to academic courses. She has supported and nurtured this team of 4 with activities in the school's nature reserve and sensory garden, and encouraged students to become more environmentally conscious. The students take part in the school's recycling scheme and regularly empty the recycling bins and place plastic, paper and card in the appropriate containers. Mrs Davis has enabled these students to develop a connection to the environment through both learning and experience, so they benefit and so do all the other pupils and teachers in the school.